combination together. We had sugar push. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. The whip. 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Interrupted anchor. Then we took it down and we picked up the other hand to a snap. Okay? And roll it out. Or from taking that down in the wristy twisty, we also talked about variation where I can bring that hand up and over and keep the same hand the entire time. Leaders, I'm stepping up next to her on the 4 so that I can do a scissor step hand change. So we have 1, 2, 3 up here for 4, 5, and 6. Connection points stay the same, so therefore it actually doesn't matter that she's doing something totally different than me. It actually works out perfectly.
Now this variation for the ladies, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to tuck that left hip and foot in behind, and 5, and 6. Okay, so it's tricky, and it does feel fast. Like when you're doing this to the music, that and 6 girls feels really fast.
Okay, we did it right to right. Now we added in a jazz box flip. So it's 1, 2. I stay facing the corner for 3 and so that I can be nice and framed and connected. All I'm going to do is take the left side, step back underneath her arm. That creates rotation, which brings her forward for 4. That's the basic whip. Followers want to drop that arm. Okay, from here we had lots of options, but the basic exit is just to rotate. Okay, like a basic whip with an outside spin. So you'll notice her footwork is identical to any other basic whip with an outside spin there. Then we changed it up and added in 2, 3, and 4. As this comes around, I can pick up that other hand, put it into an interrupted anchor, and then we're right back into any of number of the other variations that we had. So if we flip it around and do the whole combination from the top. Alright, so the whole combination together, we had sugar push. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. The whip. 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Interrupted anchor. Then we took it down and we picked up the other hand to a snap. Okay? And roll it out. Or from taking that down in the wristy twisty, we also talked about variation where I can bring that hand up and over and keep the same hand the entire time.